Your CNC design is only as good as the metal you choose. Pick wrong, and your part could fail or cost 10x more. Like and subscribe for more CNC secrets. Aluminum 606-17075. 6061 is the prototyping king. But 7075 has 2x strength for aerospace. Steel alloys 1018-4140. 1018 steel costs 50 cents pound, but for 140 alloy handles 10x more load. Stainless steel 304-316, perfect for FDA approved parts. If you can handle its 3x tool wear, brass C 36,000, the easiest metal to machine, ideal for electrical connectors. Titanium, strong yet lightweight medical implants, jets, but expensive and hard to machine. Copper, best for heat. Electrical conductivity, heat sinks, bus bars. Inconel, extreme heat resistance, jet engines, machinists, nightmare. Key point, these metals solve extreme problems, but need expert handling. Hardened steel, tungsten carbide too hard for CNC requires EDM. Toxic metals like beryllium health risks. Graphic CNC no-go zone list. Problem 6061 aluminum failed vibration tests. Solution: upgraded to 7075 aluminum 2x stronger, 30% costlier. Takeaway: testing reveals the right material, don't skip prototyping. Plastics, PCABs, wood, carbon fiber, CNC isn't just for metal. Steps: performance greater than weight, greater than cost, greater than expert consultation. Example: need corrosion resistance. Stainless steel, need lightweight. Aluminum. Enjoyed this video? Hit subscribe and download your free Ultimate CNC Metal Machining Guide from the description below.